y'all, what's up? So in today's video we will be making our turmeric soaps. If you don't know, my mom is the one that makes the soaps for our business. So this is basically the overview of the items that we will be using to make these soap bars. So the first thing she's gonna pour is a concoction that she made. It's basically avocado oil, castor oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. And she just mixed it so that it'll be easier to pour when she's making her soaps. Now here she's pouring that same mixture into this bowl, just a little, so that she can be able to mix in the turmeric powder, just so that there's no clumping when she does the whole batch. Here now she's finishing up pouring the rest of the oil that she needs for her soaps. She did replace this with the concoction that she made because this is coconut oil, but she forgot that she already added it to the concoction. Now she's measuring out the lye that she needs for the soap as well as the water. This is where she'll be whisking in the organic turmeric powder that she uses, and she will be adding in 6 scoops. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit our website at thehayaco.com. Off camera, she mixed the lye and water together, and when you do this, you're gonna need to let the lye dissolve completely, because if after your soap sets and there are lye crystals in it, you will have to throw it away because it can burn and irritate the skin. So she combined the lye and the water together, let it cool, and now she's about to mix all of the oils that she measured out with the lye water solution. Now she's going to use an immersion blender to completely mix the oil and the lye water solution together. After nicely blending the oil and the lye water solution together, this is where she adds in the turmeric and oil concoction that she made earlier, and then of course blend. Now it's time to pour the soaps into your soap molds. And she did make a bit of a mess, but that's okay. We cleaned it up and started pouring again from a smaller pitcher. Okay, after letting the soaps get to a jelly-like texture, this is when we decided to do whatever soap design we wanted. But y'all, please look at this. I was like, yeah, this is not it. And of course, her favorite phrase is, it's okay, it's okay. But I'm like, no, it's not. I mean, I look at soap decorating or like soap design videos on like TikTok or Instagram reels, and maybe I just had those designs in my mind, but this was not it for me. And so I was like, well, let me help you. Let me try to see what I can do. This is where you see me coming in. It was even a struggle for me, but I feel like something simple that could work. Okay. I don't feel like I did that much better, but I feel like we can live with this. And so she asked me what I did. I told her, and this is her trying. So yet another complete fail. But I said, just give me the gloves and I'll try to do what I did again, and we'll just call it a soap, basically. So yeah, shout out to all the girls who designed their soaps really nicely, the ones who be piping. Shout out to y'all, because this was not easy. She is now cleaning up the edges of the molds, just so it's not any messes left. And then she'll go ahead and cover it and let it sit for about 2-3 days. So this is like 2-3 days later, and now she'll be cutting, well, demolding and cutting the soaps. This is the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please let me know if you like these soap videos, because we'll definitely do more. Other than that, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.